Once these doors open, you'll be under constant attack. Your objective is the control room. To reach it, you must disable the coils. Make your way to the secondary generator shed. We'll instruct you as you go.
Hit them on the run. Make our way through to the next compound. Don't stand in pink. Okay, I'm going to drop a flare on this gateway because I know what's coming.
I'll aggro the big ad that's incoming and...
Yep, flares up.
Okay, I'll get... By the way, those circles are bigger than what they appear.
Yep.
So, try to avoid getting that debuff at all from the birds.
Shadow Stalker is going to spawn from the compound that we just came from, so it'll be behind some of us. Hasn't spawned yet, okay, here we go. Flare on the birdies. So, hard stun on the Shadow Walker. We're going to kill it on the move as best we can. Okay, back there, Bomber. I've taunted it. Okay, Shadow Walker's almost dead. Nice job. Okay, so second big ad. I'm out of flares, by the way.
I have some.
Yep. A couple of people in the group have got them. Everybody's on comms, so if you do, just holler. I'm happy to stay at the door. Use your DPS on the droid if you like.
I have some flares. Maybe I should stay at the door and you take the droid.
Yeah, whatever. Okay, tagging it.
I'm bringing the ads closer to the droid
Okay.
for bird sprints.
AoE everything down as we can.
Droids on me.
I'll drop a flare for the birdies. Bringing these ads to the droid as well.
Yep. AoE down. Killed that group pretty quick. Reckon we can proceed?
Yeah,
Yeah,
birds
we're
incoming.
Yep.
I guess I'll drop a flare for them here.
Go to the right so you don't aggro them.
Yep. Let them fight amongst themselves for a minute.
Okay, the charger is about to die.
Okay.
Okay, nice, we didn't get them on us.
Shadow Walker. It's hard stunned. It's dead. Very good. Keep progressing. I think we've lost the big boys in the back, so push on him. There we taunted. Let's go. big group incoming. Can we get an intro? Yeah. If we can get a flare on those birdies, that's beneficial.
Yeah, I'm trying to guide them a bit away from the group, and
Yep.
I'll drop the flare here. Watch out for the circles.
Yep. Fight inside the flare if you can. Jules will.
I'll have a mastodon in 2 seconds. I'll aggro these and we can just go to the droid.
Okay. Engaging. Aiming towards it because my reflex.
Oh damn, I forgot to change my left side.
Fresh set of ads coming in. If anybody has a spare flare, now's the time.
I think we're okay. We might benefit from them inside the room.
Fresh set of ads coming in behind us. Watch out for the pink shot. Very good. Okay, we moving on.
Listen carefully. Find a backup generator control terminal.
Tanks
Set
are
it
going to make their
to
stand at the door.
secondary power load test. Next, along the opposite wall, you'll see a series of 5 breaker boxes. Open the 4th box. Now, cut the 3rd wire.
Don't click too quickly. Wait for the voiceover.
Stop! Third from the right!
Any other surprises? Next. Last, go to the shield control console. Shut down the B-pens and hold
Okay, I'll
on to
use
something.
Steam thing for these and mastodon.
Yep, okay. I've got Mastodon
Critical
and
alert.
Reflect available.
Power overload.
Nice.
BC
Will
has
die.
Stay
secondary
alive.
generator.
Stay alive.
Rerouting to error. Unknown grid failure. C10.
Told you
Congrats.
it would work.
Congrats, everybody.
Performance